how does your buying power differ with purchasing new construction home and a resale home? Have you ever wondered how come those new homes are a lot more expensive, but the mortgage payment is still affordable? And I'm here to show you the real numbers today and hopefully explain to you why and how that works. Let's look at this example here. If you're purchasing a home, let's say the purchase price of a resale home is $450,000. You put down 5%. The interest rate is 6.125. By the way, I just pulled that off of Google, whatever was today's rate. Rates are going to vary. Down payment is going to vary depending on your personal situation. But these are the numbers we're just using today as examples to provide you some clarity on what's going on with purchasing a new home versus a resale home. So with that in mind, so purchase price $450, down payment 5%, interest rate 6.125 for a 30-year mortgage. Your monthly payment comes to $3,894, and your closing costs, which is, bring to close, includes your down payment and closing costs and fees, is $25,836. Now, let's take a look at the same price home with new construction. And here's an example. If you're buying a new construction home for $450,000, 5% down. Now, what's happening with builders, they have incentives. They don't necessarily lower the price, but they offer incentives on the back end to help you with affordability. So in this example, we're using an interest rate of 4.99 for 30 years and 5% down, and then $7,500 in closing costs. Now, these incentives are going to vary from builder to builder, but this is kind of a number we're seeing around a lot. So with this scenario, your monthly mortgage payment goes down to $3,589, and your bring to close goes down to $18,137. So I would say that $305 per month could make a difference. If you have credit card debt, that could be an extra payment on your credit card debt. It could be money that you save monthly for things that you want to buy, like furniture, or you want to finish the basement. So over 1 year, that's $3,600 that you can put back into your home or save for vacation, whatever you want to do with it, really. Now, let's look at the third example. And let's say that your monthly budget, your monthly payment was $4,000 or under. So $4,000 max, and anything under that is fine. So let's say that first payment of $3,894 was fine for your budget. In that case, with the same numbers of interest rate of 4.99 for 30 years and down payment of 5%, you could increase the purchase price with buying new construction to $488,000 if you wanted to, right? So in that case, your purchasing power is you're able to buy a home that's $38,000 more expensive on a new side as a new home rather than resale. Now, that could be a bigger home. It could be a home that has a third garage or both, or it has a basement. Or it's in a different town. Maybe it's closer to where you want to be, so you pay a little bit more for the location. I'm hoping that this brought some clarity to you. If you're looking to purchase a home and you're thinking, should I buy a new home? Should I buy an existing home? What works for me? If you would like more information or you'd like me to go over your numbers with you, just comment below.